Hello everybody. In this short video I'd like to show you the U.U.K.L touch panel by Telefire. We'll see on the left side the touch panel, and I'll show you the demonstration board that we built in order to see the effect of switching off the fan, switching on the fan, closing the damper and opening the damper. First, let's have a short preview what we have on the screen. These are the models. We can see at the damper, it has a green light. It means LED, that means it's right now open, it's written open. The pressurization in stereo number 1 is off. The fan, the lobby in number 1 is off. Number 2 is off. Pressurization number 2 is off. And the damper in staircase number 2 is open. If I go down now to the parking, we can see that the fan is off. Now let's have a look at the demo that we built. We can see the damper of stereo number 1, the pressurization, the fan of number 1, lobby 1, lobby 2, etc. At the bottom here we have the brain, the gateway between the TFDP-7000 control panel to the touch screen. Okay, this is a gateway. Inside here we have a small computer with the HDMI connected and touch screen and whatever. In order for us to start activating, you see now we cannot activate it. In order for us to start activating, we have to go down and give it a permission. When I give a permission, the control panel realizes that somebody's asking for permission and permission is granted. Okay, so now if I wish to open or close or do something manually, I can do it, but I'll do it in a while. Let's do the first scenario. I'll do an alarm in the whole building. Let's have a look. Let's silence first. Let's have a look. The damper got a command to close. The stereo pressurization is blinking green until it gets a feedback that it's working properly. Now it's permanent. In other words, it's working properly. If I go to the demo kit, I will see the damper is closed. The damper over here is closed. The fan is working. Okay? And the parking fan is not working because this is not from the flow switches downstairs. It's only from ground floor and above. Now there are two scenarios in the NFPA. What happens if we have fire or smoke in the staircase? If we have smoke in the staircase by the NFPA, we have to give a command to the damper to deactivate. In other words, if it got a command to close, now we'll give it an opposite and a stronger command, open the damper. So I can start and test the detector with a magnet. I'll silence it. Now if you notice the damper, it got a command to open and it opens. Now if I go to the touch screen, I'll see that it got a command to open and it's open. If I go to stereo number 2, you see it's closed, it's a red one. Let's say I want to override it. I'm the fireman guy. I would like to give it a command, close. I'll go to the touch screen and press close. Then I go to the damper and I can see that it got a command, close. The next scenario is, let's say I go to stairwell number 2 and the smoke from the roof in the pressurization in the staircase number 2, let's say it detected smoke. I'll activate the detector. Silence. I will see that the fan has stopped. There's nothing over here. Now I'll go to the touch screen and I'll see it's off. Again, if I would like to activate it, please switch on again, because I'm the fireman guy and I have always the last say, and you can see over here, the fan is working. Okay? The last thing that we can check now is basically the parking. If I press the flow switch from the parking, the fan starts working. I'll go quickly over here. We see the green light is flashing. In other words, it's waiting for a feedback that it's working. And as soon as it gets the feedback that it's working, like now, it's a permanent green. That's more or less a taste of the touch panel. Thank you very much.